Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yo, today as I said, I'm gonna be doing some seafood. I'm gonna be doing crab today. Some kind of Singapore chili crab, whatever it is. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But that's what we'll be doing today. I'm not gonna show you guys no whole long never walkthrough. I'm just gonna show you the quick process and just having seafood today. Alright, so we got like a whole big bowl of what you call this thing? King crabs. Yeah, so we got that, and what I'm gonna do right now just add some water and vinegar just to wash it off, keep it clean, and then remove like all the rawness that you're getting from it. So I kind of gave them a little scrub. They weren't that dirty, but just to double check everything. And the next thing I'll do right now is just to crack the legs a little bit, so whenever it's time for you to eat, it's not so hard to be like cracking through legs, you feel me? So like anything doing the first time is just all about common sense. So like the regular legs, they're very light, so you don't really need to crack them. But like these, if it's a claws, where the claws are very dense, then of course you crack those. What are you making?
I don't know.
Really?
That is.
Shrimp?
Go with whatever. Yeah, shrimp, but I don't know what I'm doing yet.
Okay. Alright, so the crab legs look a lot cleaner. Looking really good. Yeah. Let's get to more work. So when I was little, my grandmother, well, the one from Cuba or whatever, like she used to make this red pepper kind of charred on the stove, so I'm gonna do something like that to work on the base, also with some tomato paste. I have it somewhere, but I'll show you guys that soon. So it's simple and easy. Just get the pepper, drop it onto it, just get it as small like a char, and go around. Simple. Alright, so you see it's nicely charred. It just gives it a nice like a smoky flavor. Even though it's a chili crab, but I'm not trying to make it like too spicy, but you want those smokiness and also a little bit of heat from it. So that's it, very simple. Yeah, so here's the tomato paste I was telling you guys about. Just putting it with the roasted red peppers, some thyme and scallion. Yo, you can put whatever you want. Yo, just do it to your own flavor, but I'm just doing it my way. And you know, Jamaicans, we don't really do measurements, we just cook from the heart, you know? So because the tomato paste is so thick, like you could add water, but to me water kind of is going to water down the flavor. So I'm going to use chicken stock. Usually it might be better to use like a fish stock because it's more seafoody, but it's going to give you the same gelatinous kind of saucy kind of consistency, plus add some flavor to it, yeah. Alright, so I'm here removing the milk from some coconut trash. Here's some we have here. You don't know, the more natural it is, the better the flavor is going to be. And what is it? You're going to make a beer a shrimp?
Yeah.
A buttered shrimp, that's what she's making with one of them, and probably something else, but she's gonna go with the flow. And yeah, I have some oil heating up over here. It's supposed to be like really hot. I don't remember what they call it heat, but it's when the fire becomes hazing, meaning like you can see like the fumes starting to come from it, not to the burning point, but getting there, so we can actually do the crabs really quick, fry them really fast. That way you're kind of locking the juices, and then simmer it down from there. Now one thing I've learned to like just like cooking and just doing it through experience is always like mise en place, making sure like yo, as you use something, just wash it. Because the funny thing is, normally you might even want to use it back, and like it's hard to really work when you have like a cluttered space. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is just to dry these before I put them in the fryer. No, I didn't season them at all. They're going to be seasoned while they're actually marinate or simmering, whatever you want to call it down. Put them in that to make sure that's really hot. And yeah, the milk is ready, the milk is done, so that's good. And I'll make sure that the next step is ready, which is putting like a basket to catch all those crabs, so I don't be wondering like what's gonna happen next. This is already done pureeing, so that's done and good. And from my house already, I already like did all my pre-prep on like my seasonings here. So I have like shallot onions with purple onions. I think shallot onions might have like a lesser pungent taste with onions. I don't know, but yeah, I just use shallot onions, garlic here, and ginger. Just a quick little tip: when you're gonna throw these in the fryer, if you can dry it off a little bit. I mean, I've had these drying for a little bit, but of course, water can catch in all those parts, so it's gonna make the fryer bubble up. I'm certain my fryer's gonna bubble up like a lot, even though I'm not gonna try to dry them. But so you go. I just threw a test piece of crab in there. I think it might be good. Another thing to remember, when you're throwing in like a cold item into like a hot item, you have to bear in mind that the cold item will drop the temperature of this. So make sure that this temperature is a bit higher so it's kind of, you feel me, you get the whole idea. Of course the color is going to change to red. Once it starts getting red, you know, like, yo, you already good because it starts cooks really quickly. And what I video when somebody that thought about forget do that peeler, finally confirming and she moved to the peeler now.
The peeler been here, I just don't really like using it.
So yeah, use it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so do this horrible singing. It's so bad, but I have to put up with it. But anyway, here sauteing the onions. Make sure the fire is pretty low so it doesn't burn too quickly. We just want to get the flavors out. Yeah, we don't want to burn it. Then after this, I'm going to add I'm going to add the ginger to it. Alright, so I'm slowly putting in the crabs into this this little bath of flavors so it can cook down and get all the flavors in. This is not all the crabs, just showing you guys where I'm at. Alright, before I forget to show you, I'm burning some curry because I'm doing like a basa curry, whatever, yeah, curry fish. I already kind of fried it up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna throw some coconut oil in there and some of the broth mix thing that I did. Alright, so I just tossed the fish in there. It's gonna make it bubble up a little bit. Hopefully this thing have a cover. I don't even know if it does, but if not, no problem. It's gonna reduce it even faster without it anyway. So yeah, but the fish is already done, cooked already. I just want to get the sauces around it and yeah. Alright, so I've pretty much been done cooking for a minute now. Wasn't so sure about the crab, so I kept it in there a little bit longer. Still waiting on Judah. She's still making her battered shrimp thingy. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks so far. That's it. She has some more to go, and Destiny is hungry. I can see it on your face. I'm done. So we have the fish here, 2 pieces. I wait for Judah's mom because she don't really eat crab, so that's that. And then of course I have the sauce. The sauce I will pour over it. Alright, I think that is good. Alright, so yeah, do my job to see if it tastes good. That'll be great. If not, I tried. Alright, see that crab.
No, the thing on Tito are the same twin thing. Like she started singing on Tito, and so people on Tito like, yo, the name is what's this? Shrimp. This is shrimp. Yeah, more. Yeah, give me some more mashed potato.
It's fine. There's just a lot going on there.
Somebody can give it to me.
Mommy. Yeah, you're quiet. I've been done.
Thank you.
Alright, that's my plate. That's my plate, man. Try the food and see how it is.